In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up workout program Trainerize. By the end, you'll know how to build a clear, repeatable program you can use for one client or many. Start by logging into the web version of Trainerize. On the left sidebar, open Programs, click New Program, and choose the type. Master Program is the best choice if you want a reusable template or plan to sell it later. Custom program is ideal when it's meant for just one client. For long-term use, go with a master program. Next, set your basic details. Give your program a clear name, like 8-week strength program, choose the length in weeks, and select the type. Calendar-based is recommended because it lays everything out on a schedule. Workout-based simply lists workouts without dates, which is fine for simple collections, but not ideal for coaching timelines. When you're done, select Create Program. You'll land in the Program Builder, add week 1, then click into each day to mark it as a workout day, cardio, rest, habit, or message. A simple and effective split might be Monday upper, Tuesday lower, Wednesday rest, Thursday full body, Friday heat, Saturday optional, and Sunday rest. Adjust that to your style and your client's needs. To build faster, use the 3 dots next to week 1 and choose duplicate week. Duplicate until you reach the total number of weeks you planned. You can tweak each week slightly to progress volume, intensity, or exercise variations. Now add workouts to specific days. Click a day, choose, add workout, and either build a new one or pull an existing one from your library. In the workout builder, search and add exercises, then set sets, reps or time, rest periods, tempo, and RPE if you use it. RPE is a simple way to communicate effort targets. You can add supersets or circuits and include notes for warm-ups, coaching cues, or alternatives. When it's ready, save the workout. To speed things up, create an upper A once, duplicate it to another day, then do the same for lower A and other sessions. Enhance the program with weekly notes, habits like hydration, steps, sleep, or nutrition logging, and supportive files such as PDFs or short tutorial videos. These touches make your program feel polished and professional. Before assigning, review all weeks, confirm workouts, sit on the correct days, check progression logic, and attach any needed media. Click Save and Close. To assign the program, go back to Programs, find your new plan, and select Assign to Client. Choose the client, set the start date, decide whether to replace